Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a little day in the life. Today is actually Oakley's real birthday. So last weekend we celebrated his birthday, had a party for him, and today is the actual day that he was born, which is bringing back all the feels. This seriously was the fastest year of my entire life. I cannot believe he's one, but he is. So today we're gonna do some fun things. We are gonna go to the apple farm, do a little apple picking, and that's all that we have planned so far. But right now Oakley's sleeping. Emmy just came back from her Mimi's house. It's Thursday today, so on Wednesday nights she spends the night at my mom and dad's house. So she just came back right now. And she's down in the basement playing a little bit. But this video is sponsored by KiwiCo. So we're gonna open up a KiwiCo box that is for the kiddos, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about it first before I bring Emmy up here to see what she got this month. So we have been doing this monthly subscription of KiwiCo. It is so fun. Emmy loves it, so I'm about to give her the box for this month for her to explore. KiwiCo was started by a mom of 3 to inspire tinkering, creativity, and learning. There are different projects for the different ages, and all of these projects were designed by product designers that are in-house in Mountain View, California. And they are all rigorously tested by kids, and these projects all follow the STEAM model. It's a monthly subscription, so you get a new box every month. It's a great screen-free activity for kiddos to do after school, to kind of get them in the right mindset, to then do homework, or it would even be good for the weekends when they're not at school to help just reinforce some of the concepts that they're already learning in school. This would also make for a great gift to give for the holidays. So here is Emmy's little koala box, and it looks like this month's theme is reptiles. Here are the instructions, and then here is a little magazine for Emmy to learn a little bit more about reptiles. She can go through that, and then here is everything that she's gonna need for the projects. So let's go get her. She's gonna love making all this stuff. Wow, look at this. Okay, so this month's theme is all about reptiles. Do you know what a reptile is?
What?
It's like snakes and lizards.
Ew.
So this box, we're gonna make a snake. Can you help me make a snake?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We need to paint him.
Those are the tongue for the snake. And then we're also gonna make a turtle and a chameleon.
Chameleon.
And then we can put stickers on all of them. Okay?
And we can put also this.
Yeah, on the turtle. All right, so do you want to start with the snake?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the stuffing for the snake. Can you help me put the stuffing in the snake?
Yeah.
Stick it in there?
Stick it in there?
Stuff it in there. Good job. And you can get some more and stuff it in there.
Ew.
Okay, let's put the snake eyeballs on.
Look, this looks like little koala bear. Looks like it's pretends to look like it's
Chameleon.
a chameleon.
Let me help you. Okay. Here.
Now,
Look. Hold this. Stick it right here. Good job. Here you go.
Mama, good helper.
You're a good helper. Awesome. Okay, now look, we're gonna stick some of these
What?
on his back.
What? I just got one on the turtle.
Oh, look at you, ahead of the game. Stick it on the snake. Yay, good job.
What is that?
Here, another one.
What is that?
It's his scales.
What? What is
And then look at this.
that?
This is his tongue. Snake's tongue. Emmy has been loving this, and she cannot wait to see what she gets every month. I will have a link in the description box below for you guys to try out 1 month of KiwiCo for free. You'll just pay $4.95 for shipping. All right, we got everybody in the car, and now we are heading to the apple farm to, I don't know what we're gonna do there. We've been there, was the last time we went there when Emmy was a baby, or have we been since?
Whenever she was a baby.
So I think Emmy was maybe, well, August, September, October. She was 2 months old the last time we went to this place. It was before Oakley's time, so we're excited to just do some like fall festive things because we haven't done any of that this year. So that's where we're heading now. So I already fed the kiddos dinner. They had mac and cheese for dinner. I know, mom of the year. But the kiddos came home from apple picking so hungry, and I couldn't wait to feed them dinner. Andrew had to go to the grocery store to pick up a few ingredients for what I was planning on cooking for us for dinner. So the apple farm kind of just threw us off a little bit, but that was fine. They don't mind eating mac and cheese. It's easy for me to cook. But Andrew and I are gonna be having an Instant Pot dinner. We're having cashew chicken, and it's actually a paleo recipe, so it's gonna be healthy, but it looks so, so good. So I'm gonna start cooking dinner. Andrew's got the kids upstairs, getting them ready for bed, and then we'll probably just hang out and snuggle for the rest of the night. We've had a very busy full day, and so now, I don't know about the kids, but Mama's tired. Emmy's tired too, because she did not take a nap. We skipped her nap in order to go to the apple farm. And then Oakley, let me tell you about his nap schedule. So he has been taking 2 naps a day, one around 9:30 or 10 in the morning, and then another one around like 2:30. Well, I think he's ready to drop his second nap. So we're kind of in that awkward transition where he still wants to take his morning nap, but I need to like push that towards the middle of the day so that he's not overly tired at night. So he had kind of an earlier nap this morning than he probably should have, so he's kind of cranky. So I think we're all tired. We're all tired and ready for the day to end, at least wind down. I'm ready for bedtime. I love my babies, I love them, but when bedtime comes around, I am grateful that they get to go to bed. And I ready? We're gonna sing happy birthday to Bro Bro, okay? Can you help me? Okay, here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Oakley. Happy birthday to you.
I have to burn a candle.
Go ahead. Yay! Good job.
Does Oakley want to taste it?
Does Oakley want to taste it, or does Emmy want to taste it? Can you give Rubber a lick? Can you put a little on your... Ooh. Alright, give Rubber a lick. What do you think? That's your only taste of birthday cake you're getting today.
And I'm getting
Now you're gonna have a piece? What are you doing over here? What is that?
Glass.
Glass? Are you supposed to be playing with glass? She's over here and she's putting Mickey to bed. It's almost time for you to go to bed, huh?
Me to go to bed?
Almost. How do you know it's time to go to bed?
48 o'clock.
When it's 40 o'clock?
Yeah.
When the sun goes to bed and the moon comes out, that means it's getting close to going to bed, huh?
Yeah, when I wake up from a nap, the light will come out.
Pretty good logic right there. I'm gonna show them our apples. So we ended up buying all of these apples and we've eaten a couple of them already, but it was really fun. These green ones right here are the best. I think they're Golden Delicious, but they're so crisp and sweet. Oh, they're so good.
Mom, I like apple.
You want an apple? Maybe we'll have an apple. We went to a little bonfire tonight and we just got back from that. So I just put Oakley to bed. It's 8 o'clock. This one's gonna get her pajamas on. And then we're gonna go to bed. And Andrew and I have not really eaten much. So I think I'm gonna make myself a pizza. Let me show you guys this pizza that I'm gonna make myself. I'm actually really excited about it. So this is the pizza that I'm gonna make. It's actually a gluten-free and dairy-free pizza, which might not sound good, but to me that sounds really good. Andrew said that it didn't sound good to him. So I'm gonna pop that in the oven and have just kind of like a late dinner. Can you come tell your friends goodnight? Can you tell our friends goodnight?
Good night, friends.
Good night, friends. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Say subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to the channel. Like us. Like us.
All right, so I am going to put Emmy to bed, have my dinner, and Andrew and I are gonna sit on this couch and watch a little TV. It's been a long day. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, today is actually the next day. Small detail. So we went to the apple farm yesterday. Tonight we went to the bonfire. So totally different day, but I'm closing out the vlog here. So, hold on, I have to sneeze.
Mama, bless you.
Thank you. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to the channel, then make sure you do so you don't miss any of the videos that we have coming up. And follow us on Instagram at allie_gooch. And what else would you tell them?
Emmy just Gooch.
What's your name?
Emmy Jameson Gooch.
That's not your name. What's your name?
Emmy.
What's your full name?
Emmy Jameson Gooch.
No, what's your middle name?
Emmy Jameson Allie Gooch.
Oh, you've been silly. What's my name?
Allie Jameson Gooch.
Allie Jamison Goose. What's Daddy's name?
Andrew Jameson Gooch.
What's Mimi's name?
Becky Jameson Gooch.
We are all, she knows her actual name. She knows that she's Emmy Grace Gooch. But she doesn't know our middle name, so we are all Jamison Gooch. We're Allie Jamison Gooch, Andrew Jamison Gooch. What's Oakley's name?
Oakley Jameson Gooch.
Oakley's the only one whose middle name is actually Jamison. Remember, if you guys want to try KiwiCo, you can get 1 month for free. You'll just have to pay $4.95 for shipping, and I'll have a link in the description box below for you guys. And we love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Say bye.